Today we're taking a look at the Safe Monitor, a new smart device from SECURAM Systems. The Safe Monitor is a device that goes inside your safe and it monitors temperature, humidity, door open, door close via an optical sensor that we have on the back here, and vibration. It's got a built-in vibration sensor. So if someone is trying to access your safe, it'll tell you about that. Now, the Safe Monitor is a AA battery-powered device. I've got my AA batteries in here. Slide that lid closed. And it's got an antenna that's connected here. It comes with two antennas, a little short antenna. It looks like this, but it only has a 6-inch cord, so that's to be used if you're using it inside your safe. But if you're finding you have network connectivity issues that prevent it from communicating through your safe wall, then you can always use this long 6-foot antenna. And you can drill a small hole, a 1/4-inch hole in the back of your safe, and then pull this lead through it and then connect it to the Safe Monitor. Now, you'll see that on the Safe Monitor you have a number of input ports. You'll see where the antenna connects. You also have the ability to plug this into AC power if you choose to with the AC adapter. It's optional. And then you've got a little reset button beside the AC power port here. We're going to use that to connect. You also have another I/O port that allows you to connect other door sensors. But for the time being, we're going to rely on the optical sensor, which is on the back here, to be able to provide us door sensor openings. The Safe Monitor connects to our smart home app, which is available on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Let's take a look at it. We can see from this home screen that the Safe Monitor is currently at 82.8 degrees. It's at 52% relative humidity. It's showing the battery is good. If the battery was not good, it would show battery weak here, and it's showing that the signal is good. So let's take a look at what else we can learn. From this main page, you can see your basic vital data. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner. And here we can see history. So since I've been using this device and turning it upside down and trying to show you the various locations of the buttons and so on, it's sensed a vibration alarm, and it sent that vibration alarm to the cloud and sent it to my app here. If I wanted to update my history from the device, I'd click on this little button here, and it allows you to download the history, and it'll pull whatever history is available to it. Let's show you some other things. Click on the Settings button, and under Settings, we have a number of different items here. This is where you can set the various points at which you want the Safe Monitor to alert you about certain things that are going on. So for instance, if you wanted the Safe Monitor to tell you when the temperature of inside your safe got up to, let's say 101 degrees, then as soon as the temperature reached 101 degrees, it'll send you a notification to your app. Same thing can be done for the lower set point. You can change that as needed just by clicking on the button and sliding it. As far as relative humidity, we can adjust those settings also. And then vibration sensitivity, this is when the vibration sensor in your safe is set to alert you. So if we wanted it to be high sensitivity, meaning it would report to you with the slightest bit of movement, then you'd click on high. I usually set mine for medium. And then the next category is light detection. Do you want that optical sensors to tell you when it sees light? You can click that on or off. And then finally, you have communication interval. Here we've got it set for 6 hours. What the communication interval is the heartbeat to the cloud. And it's looking at the device and saying, how's everything going? What's the status? Is you still there? What is the current temperature? And so on. So the more frequently we do that, the more it drains your batteries. I generally have it set on 12 hours, and then it just gives a heartbeat every 12 hours, and it conserves your battery life. Now, if you decided you wanted to have it for 24 hours or 6 hours, you can certainly set it for that accordingly. But the important thing to know here is the set points that you have get communicated to you immediately. So if, for instance, the temperature of the safe got to 102 degrees, it wouldn't wait for that next 12-hour interval to tell you that. It immediately comes to you on a notification on the app and says the current temperature is above your set point. Okay? All right, clicking on More, we have the opportunity to turn on or turn off notifications. We have an opportunity to check for firmware. So if we added some additional features to the firmware, you could update your device just through this application. You also have the opportunity to go to and see instructions from our website. If you click on that, you've got device information. Let's click on that. It just shows you the current firmware version and device ID. If you wanted to invite a user to also view the Safe Monitor data, then you can click on Invite User, enter their email address, and it'll send them an invitation. Provided they have the application on their phone, then they would have the opportunity to add the Safe Monitor to their app. Click on back, and I'll just click back again, and we'll go back to our main screen here. So what this will now do is it'll monitor the temperature and give you the temperature, humidity, motion, or door opening, so light, and it'll also provide you with an update on vibration if someone's trying to bang on the safe in order to open it. So that's the Safe Monitor from SECURAM Systems, a really smart innovation that allows you to have communication and updated status reports from your safe at any time to your app.